Today we're doing word problems and our patterns about thanking hospital workers. Our code for Nearpod is YFOTE. Again, that's YFOTE. You're going to take that code and go to nearpod.com or the Nearpod app. Enter your code YFOTE and join the session. Okay. So the first thing we're doing is patterns. So today the reading that we did for ELA was about hospital workers and how we can thank them. So the first thing that we do when we're looking at our patterns is we label them. Okay, so I'll label. All of the doctors I'm going to label with the number 1. So here's a doctor. This is not a doctor, so now I'm going to go to this doctor and label it 1. This is hurt, not a doctor. But look, here's another doctor, 1. And here's one more doctor, so I'm going to label it 1. Okay. So I'm done labeling all my doctors with 1. Now I'm going to label all the people that are hurt with the number 2. So here's hurt. I'm going to put a number 2. Then we have a doctor. And here's hurt again. Remember what we put for hurt? Number 2. And then doctor, doctor. What do we have here? Hurt. Oh no. All right, so we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So our pattern is first 1, then 2. First 1, then 2. First 1, then what comes next. So I'm going to say the pattern up to the red line. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Now I want you to join. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. What comes after 1? Oh, look, after 1 we go to 2. After 1 we go to 2. After 1 we go to 2. So we're going to circle hurt. I circled 2, you circled 2, then hit submit. Okay, so here we have new is the first symbol. Okay. So every time I see new, I'm going to put a number 1. It's the first symbol. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. So we wrote 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Now we have hospital workers. That's our second pattern, so I'm going to use a 2. And here it is again. It's the same symbol on number 2. Okay, so now I'm looking for my pattern. 1, 1, 2. Okay, so first 1, then 1, then 2. This is my pattern. And then it starts over. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Well, I'm going to say it first, all the way up to the line. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1. Now it's your turn to say it with me. Ready? 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2 comes next. Okay? 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. When you're done circling hospital workers, hit submit. Okay. Custodians work at a hospital also. So we're going to label all the custodians or janitors number 1. 1, 1. Now I'm going to label all the strong. You have to be strong to work in a hospital, mentally or physically, depending on what job you have. Okay? So strong is number 2. I'm labeling all the strongs. Here's another 1, and another 1, and there's one more hiding over here. Okay? So before my pattern repeats, I have 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2. Okay, I'm going to say up to the line once by myself, and then I want you to do it with me next time. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2. Okay, now I want you to say it with me. Ready? 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2 comes next. So we need to circle strong. I circled strong, you circle strong, then hit submit. Okay. So when you're sick, sometimes you have to go to the hospital. Sick is our first symbol. I see sick a lot of times. Every time I see sick, I'm going to put the number 1, 1, 1. Now, sick people go to the hospital. That's my next symbol. I'm going to label all the hospitals with the number 2. 2, 2, 2. Okay. So my pattern is 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. I'm going to read all the way to the line and then stop. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Okay. After 2, I go to 1. 1, 1, 2. Will you say it with me? 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Okay, so after a 2, I go to a 1. After a 2, I go to a 1. So I need to circle sick. I circled sick, you circle sick, then hit submit. Okay, our first symbol is thank. So we're going to label all of the thanks 1. So I labeled thank, thank, thank. 1, 1, 1. Next, we have busy. Hospital workers are very busy right now because so many people are sick. Busy is number 2. It's our second symbol. Do you see busy any more times? I see it one more time. Another 2. Okay. Our last symbol is doctor. Let's see how many doctors I can find. Here's one doctor, another doctor, and another doctor. Doctor, doctor, doctor. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now let's look for our pattern. Our pattern is 1, 2, 3, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 3. So after 2, what comes next? I'm going to say up to the line, and I want you to say it with me. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2. What comes next? After 2, we go to 3. After 2, we go to 3. We need to circle doctor and then hit submit. Okay. Now we're up to our word problems. We have 1 addition and 1 subtraction problem, and then you're all done with math. Okay? It says fill in the blanks to solve each word problem. On Monday, my sister made blank cards, so we need to count them. I'll label them 1, 2, 3. Now I want you to count them with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. How many cards did she make on Monday? 3. On Wednesday, my sister made blank cards, so I have to label 1, 2, 3, 4. I labeled 4. Now I want you to count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many cards did she make Wednesday? 4. Now, I could count items, or I could label all my pictures because I need to add. So you know I like labeling. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll switch to another color. Okay, I'm adding them together, so I'm putting them together. There's going to be more. So I'm going to label 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I did that because I'm adding. I need more. So I had 3, but I needed more. So now I want you to count how many there are all together with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many cards did my sister make all together? 7. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. When you're done writing 3, 4, and 7, hit submit. And we're on our last problem. Oh my goodness. On Friday, blank janitors cleaned a hospital. So I need to label them first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I want you to count the janitors with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On Friday, 10 janitors cleaned the hospital. Now we get to count how many in the next row. First I label, then we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I labeled them. Now I want you to count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many janitors clean the hospital on Sunday? 9. Now I'm subtracting. That means I need less. How many more janitors clean the hospital on Friday than Saturday? So in order to do that, you can use items and take them away from a pile. But you know how I like to cross things out. So I'm going to go where I have 10 at the top, and I'm going to cross out this many. I have to cross out 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I know I usually use an X, so just so I don't confuse you, I'll go and make sure they all have an X that I crossed out. How many are left that I did not cross out? Just 1. So 10 minus 9 is 1. When you're done writing 10 minus 9 equals 1, then you're all done with your math lesson. You can hit submit. Wow, what a great job you did practicing your patterns and your word problems. You're awesome.